Hello guys, this is Tendulkar. Welcome to Learning Ladder of C language. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss about ternary operator in C language. This ternary operator is sometimes said as a conditional operator. This is why because this ternary operator is used for the execution of conditional expression. So here I am specify the syntax of this conditional ternary operator or conditional operator. First, we have to declare an expression which the condition has to be checked. The next followed by the another expression colon followed by another expression ended with semicolon. So this is the syntax of this ternary operator in C language. Here I am written a small program by using this ternary operator. First, let's compile this program. Let's see in output. Here we are getting -5 in the output. Now let's see how this flow of execution is done. In the first line, I am declaring an I integer variable with an value 10 is stored in the variable. The next, I declare an j variable. So in the next line, I am using this ternary operator. In the first, this ternary operator is divided into the three expression. This one is first expression, this is second expression, this is third expression. So this first expression is taken the conditional position. The second expression is taken for the true condition execution. The third expression takes the false condition execution. So by this, in the first expression, I am declaring condition that I less than 9. So previously I am initializing an I value with 10, but I am specifying that I is less than 9 or not. So it is a false condition. So I am using the false condition in the expression 1 portion. The second one I am initializing the j with 5. In the third expression I am initializing j with -5. This ternary operator, how it's work in the sense, if suppose this condition is in the true sense, then the second expression will be executed. If suppose this condition is false in the sense, then the third expression is going to be executed. For this reason, we are declaring that its condition is false condition, so we are expecting an output as -5 in the output. So we are getting -5 in the output. If suppose I am declaring true condition in the sense, then let's see now. We are getting 5 in the output screen. So this conditional operator or the ternary operator act as a conditional execution of an expression. It is simply an if condition declared in a single line. So by using this ternary operator, we can replace an if condition execution in the program. By using this ternary operator, we can reduce the lines of a program for the conditional execution. Now let's see various conditions how this ternary operator is going to be work. So here I am declaring an expression in this one line and this third expression in the second line. So now let's see what happened in the if compile this program. We are not getting any compilation error. We are getting an output. By this we can have a conclusion that it's not a mandatory thing that we have to declare an ternary operator in a single line. This ternary operator not only used for this initialization or modulation in the value, we can use and directly printf statements and scanf statements in the ternary operator itself. Here I am declaring two printf statements in a single line by using this ternary operator. Now let's compile this program whether we are going to get any compilation error. We are not getting any compilation error. We are getting true in the output screen. This true in the output screen because of this true condition. So here I am not declaring any semicolon at the end of the printf statement. Even though I am not declaring a semicolon, this printf statement is executed without any syntactical error. Now let's see what happened internally, how we are getting an output with a syntax error. In ternary operator, the execution is quite different. But in the first expression, the condition is checked, and secondly, if condition is true, it's directly going to execute an next second expression printf statement. If suppose it's false condition, then it's going to execute this third expression printf statement. So it's going to execute either first printf statement or the second printf statement. Not going to execute both the printf statements at the same time. So here is a true condition. Automatically it's going to execute this printf statement. It's not going to see the what we are declaring the third expression itself. So directly it's going to end with this semicolon. So for this reason, the C compiler treat that there is nothing we are declaring this third expression. So this is indirectly says that it is like this ternary operator treat this statement like this. So for this reason we are not getting any syntactical error. So even though we are not declaring semicolon at the printf statement. Now let's see what happens if suppose I am declaring false condition. Yes, we are getting false. Suppose we declare in false condition, this C compiler while reading it is in false condition directly comes to the second printf statement. It's not going to see what we are declaring the first index. So it indirectly says that it look like this. So we are not getting any syntax error even though we are using the printf statement without a semicolon in this ternary operator. Now let's see what happened if suppose I am trying to modulate a value that we initialized previously. So first let's compile this program. Let's see now. We are getting a 10 as an output without any effect of this ternary operator. Now let's explain what happened internally. Here this ternary operator treat this j is a global variable for this ternary operator, and this j what we declare in the ternary operator itself, it's a local variable. So these two j have some different memory locations. For this reason we are not getting any modulation in this j value. Now let's explain what and internally done in this ternary operator. Actually the C compiler take this ternary operator like this. So inside the C compiler, this ternary operator will be like this. So it treats that it is in block, it is in block. For this reason, if suppose we are accessing the same variable modulation in the ternary operator, in the sense we are not getting any modulating in the output. We are getting a value of this first initialized j value in the outputs. Now let's see another functionality of this ternary operator. Here I am declare an ternary operator with as I is greater than 9, and the second expression I am declaring a 5, and the third expression I am declaring it's a -5. So here I am initializing the z variable with the return value of this ternary operator. First let's compile this program. We are not getting any expression. Syntax error, we are getting 5 in the output screen. Now let's explain this in a flow. While this ternary operator is a return type operators, here it's going to return the value of true if suppose this condition is true. So it's going to return an value of false if the condition is false. So for this reason we are getting 5 in the output screen. So this 5 is returned by this ternary operator. Here in the second expression we declare and 5. This 5 is treated as a true conditional, and this -5 is written in the third expression. This -5 treated as a false condition. So if this condition is true, then this ternary operator is going to return 5. If the condition is false, then it's going to return value of -5. Now let's see what happens if suppose the condition is false. Now let's compile this program. We are getting -5 in the output screen. Yeah, now you can have an idea that what the value the ternary operator will return based on the condition. That's all about the functionality of this ternary operator in C language. Don't forget to subscribe to get alert for the next tutorial video. Thank you.